five beats. Let's all listen to a story now. Let's all listen to a. Yeah, now stop speaking that. You will only have to hear this in a while. Let's all listen to a. Let's all listen to a. Let's all listen to a.
It created a positive atmosphere and there was a smile on everybody's face.
So that everybody is into the atmosphere,
Okay.
like what kind.
And the lion was sleeping. That lion was like, little mouse. Actually, the story is, this is the story of in the childhood we heard of Pluto that
So children, we are going to read Feeding Time at the Zoo. This is a story by Bruce Larkin. So here goes the story. Mikey the monkey has 6 fish to feed to the animals at the zoo. Include music and movement in the story. How to do stories with fingers. How to do stories with hand.